The blizzard out there is frightening. I think I'll put another Yule log on the fire. And the critters in the barn, they need some feeding. And the cow needs a little milking. Maybe if I hold on to this rope from the house to the barn, I'll make it without getting blown away. From there to here, if the wind don't get me. Well, the water in the well is frozen. I guess I get me axe out and chop a hole in it. And the snow is coming through the clapboards into the summer kitchen. Gosh, it's too cold out to make it to the privy. I'll just have to use this here bucket for a while. Oh, bucket. Oh, home is where the heart is. When the snow is blowing, buffeting against the clapboards. Let it blow, let it blow, let it blow. 'Cause the blizzard out there is frightening. And the hail's been coming down for days. Oh, it's hailing. Winter's surely upon us. You won't find me killing no evergreen to stick in the living room. Ain't got no living room. All I got is a privy, a barn, and a place to rest my head. Summer kitchen. Yeah, well, I got this here tub, and if I turn my spigot around on the sink, I can fill the bathtub and just lay there and watch the snow come in through the cracks. 'Cause the clapboards are surely leaking. I got a rope from the house to the barn, and so I don't blow away. What can I tell you? The blizzard out there is frightening. It's a happy holiday.